Hi, welcome to Let's Unbound. This is Pallavi. In this video, we will solve the MCQ section of AP Computer Science A, paper 2022. Before we start with the MCQs, let us first discuss the pattern of AP Computer Science A paper. This paper consists of 40 MCQs and 4 pre-response questions. In MCQs, you are given some options out of which you have to select the correct one. While in pre-response question, you are supposed to write the code or the logic which satisfies the requirement mentioned in the question. So now let us look into the first MCQ. So the question is, the following code segment is supposed to print exam time if the string variable today contains Wednesday and string variable time contains 12 p.m. So what does this question mean? Here we have a statement which prints exam time. So what we have to do, we have to look into each of these if conditions which should fulfill the requirements mentioned in the question to print the word or the sentence exam time. So let us first look into this condition, the second one. Why? Because this seems to be the incorrect one because of this OR condition. See, for OR condition, if either of the condition is true, then it will print exam time. For example, if today is equals to Wednesday, but time is 10 p.m. Because of this OR condition, it will print exam time. Because for OR condition, as I told you, if any one condition is true, it will print the exam time. Okay? So which is not the case that we need in our question. Correct? So this condition is incorrect. Now, since this condition is incorrect, we will eliminate option B and option E. Now, let us look into the first condition. If today equals Wednesday, okay, and, okay, so this is what we need, this and. See, for and, both conditions should be true. Both true, correct? So this condition will print exam time only when it is Wednesday and 12 p.m. Okay, so condition 1 is correct condition. Now let us look into the third condition. If today equals to Wednesday and we have another if, so basically here we have a nested if. So the inner if will be checked only if it is Wednesday. If today equals to Wednesday, then we will check another if which says time equals to 12 p.m. So if both the conditions are true, then only it will print exam time. So again, this condition is the correct condition. Hence, 1 and 3 are the correct condition. So here we have option D, which says 1 and 3 only. Okay. All right. So let us now move to our next question.